Hey guys, it's your girl C here. This morning I'm specifically here to clear the air for all of those who think that America is just one big toilet and the only thing they have to do is to come and clean shit. I've just had it. I've had it, and up until most recent times, somebody said that term. Them now come a friend come clean your shit. I'm tell her say it cut me to the core. You know why? Right now, I'm going to big up my mother, Miss Nelson, because a shit she clean and finance me for 4 years through university. A shit she clean and could I be able to send a barrel every year. A shit she clean and could I be able to come back down the con look for it until it was our time to come here. A shit she clean and bring us here. Because if you think so when you fill out them application form and send over USCIS and you don't send the fee, if you think they not mail them back come GSC, you make a sad mistake. A shit she clean to ensure that when it was time for us to come here and they asked for an affidavit of support, she was able to provide one to them because of her cleaning shit. You understand me? A shit she clean and buy the plane ticket them carry here. A shit she clean and pay the rent to the abode that we came and we rested in until we moved. A shit she clean. I make up that nice rotted house that runs up on Hermitage Road. Anybody knows Springyard, no one know Hermitage Road. My little piece of all house when me grew up in it's still there. It's a reminder for us to see where she's coming and what coming from and what cleaning shit has brought her to make right now. You understand me? So for all of you who sit down there in a nice big pride and I say now come clean shit, there are many things here to do. You understand me? And it's not just a toilet. Because I'm sure me not look like shit and smell like shit right now. I didn't come into a toilet. You understand me? But it's a job. It's like a career. And it's not cleaning shit. You're caring for people. I am so peeved when people say them now come clean your shit. Me say the thing make me angry, the thing make me angry, the thing make me... Who now come do certain things? Who's doing again? Well, don't come here then. Someone now come do certain things. I came here with a bachelor's degree with honors. You understand me? If me never take up myself and go down at 125 down at Harlem and say me go work at IAP and carry 2 little plate per my and 2 hot plate until it was time to manifest into something different, I would not have anything. I wouldn't have been able to file my taxes the first year I come here and buy one car the next year. You understand me? Someone don't take up pride in the wrong things and it hurts me so much. I shit people clean and I file for enough for uno. You understand me? The same shit where no one come clean and eat people clean and have to file for no. And the same shit people clean so one time you come here for come here, you come here for that, you come here for visit or come here for live. You have somewhere for stay. Because this cleaning shit pay the rent and it pay the bills. So you can enjoy yourself while you are here and be comfortable. Someone don't know what to talk, don't know what to talk, so I just feel like no fun if you lock on the mouth. You understand me? Because if I never cleaning shit, I wouldn't be able to sing and reminisce on the days when I sleep on a little mattress. Every morning I wake up, my mother have to wipe off dry up blood off of me because the piece of wire in the mattress cut up my skin and she have to use the file and I file it out. You understand me? You have to understand say why you don't want to shut them out. It's other people's livelihood. No fun you not grow old, you not go grow old. I don't not go want somebody to clean on the shit. We don't grow old people, we don't want family now have the time to take care of us. So thank God for people like my mother who are out there clean shit. I don't go wipe for no stinking body. People I wanted to excuse, the words that I'm using, but everybody knows what shit it is. And I don't think say me use doo-doo. It does not go fit in right. Yeah? You understand me? So yeah. Stop saying now come clean shit. Well, don't come here then. Me not see embassy up there call nobody and I say, oh no, come, go over there, go clean shit. No, I not come no big bad 20,000-30,000 and go up and I beg the people to come over here. So if you don't want to come clean my shit and shut up on the motor and stage part on the day. I am just so annoyed and disgusted and it's like you try to put down people with clean shit. If I had to do it, you best believe somebody do it. Because guess what? There's no greater feeling than a foreign than working and having your own money. If you go buy what you want when you want. And no greater feeling if you know say when every first month come can pay a landlord and a landlord now look for you because you not have to worry about if you go sleep up and I need a bus stop or go sleep in a shelter. We don't need to get in an act together. And from one of the greatest maths teacher that ever lived and what the face of this earth, Miss Ayet. Big up yourself. I'll never forget in 4th form when she looked at us as a class and said, you guys will not take up pride in the wrong things. That's it from that. Me not have no fear. Anything me have to do, as long as it's not unorthodox, I'll do it. Cleaning shit, move yourself from yourself.